These gorgeous tuna patties are very economical, quick and easy to make. They're keto friendly, gluten free, and they go beautifully with the lemon mayonnaise sauce on the side. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll show you how to knock these up in just a few minutes. Right, let's run through the ingredients quickly. We've got a half a cup of cauliflower rice, either fresh or frozen. We've got garlic powder. We've got onion powder. We've got a small tin of tuna. This is a 95-gram tin of tuna. Recipes for about 2 people. Then we've got some mayonnaise. Make sure all your ingredients are keto-friendly and gluten-free. Then we've got a lemon, some parsley, a spring onion, an egg, and a half a cup of grated cheese. So let's get mixing. I'll list the quantities of the ingredients at the bottom of the screen as we go along. There we go, all mixed. Now we'll fry it in some oil in a pan. We'll just dollop it into the pan, but you can do it in an air fryer at high temperature as well, works just as well. It's good to let it stand now for about 15 minutes before you fry it. So the ingredients for our lemon mayonnaise are obviously mayonnaise, some garlic salt this time, a lemon, something to grate the zest with, and there in the back some parsley. So let's get mixing that together. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Now, if you enjoyed these, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Just scroll right down to the bottom and you'll find the comments section there. Thank you very much for watching.